This Tesla-specific phone mount feels purpose-built for the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck, matching the minimalist dashboard instead of looking like an aftermarket add-on. The tension-based mounting system grips the dash securely without any glue, screws, or sticky residue, so you can remove it later without worrying about damage to the interior trim. Its magnetic pad works seamlessly with MagSafe-style phones and cases, snapping the device into place with a firm hold that stays put over bumps and quick lane changes. The ball joint allows full 360-degree adjustment, making it easy to keep navigation in view while still aligning the phone comfortably with the main Tesla touchscreen. The mount feels impressively solid on rough pavement, with anti-vibration design that keeps rattles to a minimum even at higher highway speeds. Overall, it comes across as a thoughtfully engineered accessory that respects Tesla design, protects the cabin surfaces, and delivers stable, convenient, everyday phone access.